I'm Janelle, and I'm the head of brand and communications for Red Hill Ventures. And when we acquired a business and started doing our due diligence, we knew immediately one of the first things the existing website for the business. And in our rebranding effort, it was important that not only did we get a fresh face, but we started to think through the messaging that we wanted for our website. And although I've used Squarespace several times before, I really wanted to amp up the end product. So I found Elizabeth and Bloom through looking at Squarespace Circle of Designers. And after looking through a couple of profiles, I just was really impressed with how she presented herself through her Squarespace site. And after having a discovery call with her, knew immediately wanted to work with her. And it's been a phenomenal experience because she's done a lot of great things. One, she's been able to translate a lot of the vision that we had for our website and make it into something absolutely gorgeous and beautiful and easy to maintain. And she's allowed me to learn a lot about Squarespace that I didn't know, but also beyond just the web design and development aspect, she's taught me a lot about marketing and how to think about my site from an SEO standpoint, how to develop web or email campaigns, and how to use a scheduling tool to really make our business better than we envisioned it to be. So I feel like not only have we gotten a beautiful website from working with Bloom, but we've enhanced a lot of the marketing and the branding and the communications along with it. So we're really thankful that we have connected with Bloom and are going to continue to work with her on other projects.